Hello, I am Brittany Mills. Welcome and welcome back. If you are new, thanks for tuning in. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for your continuous support. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I do knotless braids, and I will be doing them on someone else. I'll be showing you all the products that I'm using. If you would like to see how I do my knotless braids and how I feed in my hair, please stay tuned to the end of the video. Throughout the video, I will be slowing it down so you can see in a more slower motion on how I feed in the hair extension. Okay, so first you want to make sure to separate your hair extensions to make the process a lot easier. Then you want to start the braid by sectioning it in 3 sections. I usually braid about 2 times before I add a piece of hair. So when you add the hair, you want to add it at the bottom, braid twice, grab another piece of hair, braid twice down again. I usually add about 3 pieces of hair. I never add more than about 4 pieces on each braid. You know, it just depends on the thickness and how you want it, how big or small you're doing the braid. Okay, so right here I end up adding another piece of hair extension to the braid because it was a lot shorter than I wanted it to be. So all you have to do is add the hair to the back of the braid, basically the same way as if when you would start a new braid. You can add as many pieces as you would like, you know, for your desired length. Okay, so now I am finished braiding your hair. And now the next thing I usually do is section the hair, right? Like you see right now, I'm sectioning in 2 sections. I'm going to get some hot water, dip the ends in the water. Make sure you have a towel because the water is, of course, and will be extremely hot. After I dip it, I'm going to, pat it, dry it. I want to then take about 6 braids and braid the ends together, because I'm going to, after I finish braiding the ends together, I'm going to dip it again in hot water to seal the ends and then make the braid ends curly. I am now finished with my feed-in braids. I truly hope this video was helpful in some type of way. As I mentioned, I did link all the products in the description below. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. And until next time, see you in my next video.